So, when wild camping goes wrong, this is what you have to do. Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to this amazing lake that we have woke up to in Switzerland. Now we wild camped here last night. Now wild camping in Switzerland, it is illegal and the police did come. If you want to see more about that, you'll have to watch last week's video. But guys, what an amazing view. Now we do have one more night of wild camping in Switzerland before we move on to the next place. So let's get on the road and we'll tell you more about it. So we found this amazing place I just showed you on the way in to come and have a look at. The thing is, we've put the money in the parking meter and the correct amount, and it's just cleared it and it's not even done anything. So we just go and have a look and see if there's anyone around that we can ask. Yep, the parking meter has swallowed our money, so needless to say we are going for a walk, and if we do get any type of a parking fine, I will be kicking off about it. So right, it's just gone down there, let's go and have a quick look. So we've just been speaking to somebody that comes here quite often, and they've just been telling us, haven't they, that they're very strict around here. If you try and like park up or like camp up like overnight or anything, you do get moved on. Now there is a campsite just next to where we are, so I'm gonna go and see if we can find like reception, and then like maybe we can see if we can maybe stay here for the night, and then just makes things a little bit easier because we'll be happy to stay here with the view and the weather and everything's okay. So right, so maybe we could go in here. Okay, we're staying at the campsite for the night. It's 40 Swiss francs, and like I said, it just makes things a lot easier than trying to mess about camping.
To be honest, 30 euros is pretty good for...
Yeah. And I mean, you can see, like, you know, it's like, it seems quiet enough. There's like a shop here and everything. We can get some different things that we need. And again, with that view, we'll be able to go for a walk, and I think it'll just make things a lot easier for us, won't it? So...
While Tom's going sorting the parking out, I'm going to get ready. Before coming on this trip, I went to visit the dentist, and the dentist suggested that I went and got an electric toothbrush. So I went and got an Oakley X Pro Digital S. I've been using this toothbrush for a little while now, and I'm telling you, it's like a toothbrush I have never used before. The toothbrush has 8 brushing areas, and it actually tracks the bits that you've been missing. It also has a smart screen on the toothbrush, and it actually shows you the areas that you've missed. When it does this, it gives you an automatic plan to help you get 100% clean teeth. You can see this on the toothbrush smart screen right here, or you can download an app which will also show you your personalised brushing plan. It has stable vibrations that makes brushing your teeth feel like a gentle massage, which is perfect for me because I've got really sensitive teeth. So this toothbrush has a dual brush system, which is great for plaque removal, and it's comfy on your gums. Charges to full in 3 hours. It has a 30-day battery life, and I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's lasted ages. This toothbrush is perfect for camping trips because you can actually charge it from the case. Really quiet, and the bit I like the most is it has an app that if you're not certain about brushing your teeth properly, that will tell you. And yeah, I'm advertising a toothbrush. Oral care is important because who doesn't want a brighter and healthier smile? Link is in the description.
So, when wild camping goes wrong, this is what you have to do. You have to look in the area, and then you have to find a campsite, because this is where we're staying tonight. It's quite quiet here, so I may as well quickly show you the toilet facilities. I just need to check. That's men's, I think.
Yeah, it is. That's like this. That's a dress.
Yeah, you're right. Everyone's doing the same thing. So, yeah. So, look in here. We got given a key, and that's what the key's for. So, let me get the key and just check. Right, give me that key. I think I might have like sussed this out.
For the shower.
You'd think we'd never stayed at a campsite before, but you know what I mean? Like I said, we're not the only people that don't know what they're doing, so I think this key is for the shower. Yes, it's, oh, now I was expecting like just one shower type of thing. Do you know what? There's a lot more here than I thought there was going to be, so there we go. And then we've got like family showers as well and things, so you know what? I'm pleased. Pleased. Big. So guys, we're just sat here and we're talking with Claudio. Did I say that right?
Perfect.
Claudio, perfect. This is a guy, in fact it's his girlfriend that knows the area, because you're local from around here, aren't you? You live local to...
Yeah, and
to
Gladys is like 7-8 kilometers from
right.
here.
And it was his girlfriend that was like saying, like, you know, parking around here, we will get moved on because it's very... You were saying it's a very, very quiet area here.
It's quiet, just, you know, it's a nice place to come just to, you know, have relax yourself, and there's not many people around, so yeah, I really recommend this.
Yeah, because it's interesting because
it's
Claudio...
a bit hidden, you know, this
yeah,
place,
he was just saying to me, like, you know, how have we found? Oh, Thor's making friends with some dog down there. Sounds like having a bit of a grill.
Yeah,
yeah, because you were saying before that, like, you know, how did we find this place? Because not a lot of people like visit here and everything, and like I said, we're just like, we don't really know where we're going and everything, but yeah, it's a beautiful area. I can't wait to show you after. And Claudio's been giving us like all the advice where to visit and everything.
You have to go later by the lake and, you know, see the Alps from the other view, and yeah, it's quite nice.
How amazing is this? The campsite's just there. This is here. You know what? I'm glad that we've come and like had a look at this area, because we're staying here. We didn't plan to stay at this campsite. Just been speaking to that guy earlier on. Speaking to him for about an hour. He's like staying around here tonight as well. Just look how clear the water is. It's unbelievable. This is what Switzerland's about. This is why we're doing what we're doing. Yes. Guys, it's early evening now. It's a lot cooler now, because you know what? Today is the warmest day since we've, like, you know, been on our travels type of thing. And we're just taking Thor for a quick walk, but you know what? Just look at the views here. Amazing. Probably said it quite a few times in this video, but you know what? You have to admit, that's amazing. Hit the like button if you think that's amazing. You can see why they wouldn't allow wild camping around here. And like I said, when I was speaking to Claudio's girlfriend earlier on, she was like saying, because, you know, they're local to here, they were saying that, like, if you try and wild camp here, you will get moved on. You know, there's no doubt about it. Now, what I didn't want to do is drive like a couple of hours sort of like back towards Lucerne where we was before, you know, find a wild camping spot, you know, because we want to, like, you know, be here and like with these amazing views and everything. So, and the good thing is, the campsite where we come from is just like literally next to this. We just went in, as you've seen before, and we just said, you know, if you've got any spaces free, they had a space free. So it cost us 40 Swiss francs. I think Brooke did say that before, which is probably just over £35 or something. But you know what, a campsite that's got this view, I won't say the word, but hit the like button. Yes. Nah, I've got to say it. It's amazing. It's still snow on the mountains as well, which I find crazy because it's so warm. It just shows how high those mountains are. And then we've got like waterfalls everywhere around here. Just, yes. Right, I think we're just going to go and have a quick explore down there. Right guys, it's that time. We're making some food. Mountain views here are just unreal. So for tea, we're having chicken kebabs and what else, Brooke?
Wedges.
Potato wedges.
And garlicky bread.
And we're basically just using all the food that we've brought with us. So we just made making the food before it absolutely started chucking it down with rain. So I think that's pretty much going to be us for the night, because it's absolutely raining very, very heavily, to put it mildly. So we're going to watch it.
Raining?
I don't know, bro. When, you know, I just say like what I say. And
as you can tell, it's pretty warm in here.
It is warm. We've got like this fan on. Yeah, we've got a fan on. A fan for Brooks, so... But you know what, they work. Without this venti fan, I tell you, we would have had a lot of issues, and it's adjustable and everything. Put a link in the description if you're after one of these fans, because we do recommend them. So, oh hello Thor, you coming down here? Thor's coming down here with me, so... Alright, so that means I get to use the fan for a little bit, so I'll get it in a minute, right. So guys, we're going to sign out for the night, so do you know what, we're going to watch a film, chill, so we'll see you in the morning. Everyone, what an amazing view to wake up to. We had a peaceful night's sleep here. What we're doing today then, so we're just going to go for a quick walk, take Thor for a walk, and then what we're going to do then is we're staying at a campsite for 3 days, so do you know what, let's get on the road and we'll tell you more when we get there. Hi. So we've got a couple of hours before we can check into the campsite, so we've pulled over and we're going to have our dinner and look at the view that we have here.
What? Got tortilla chips on it.
Oh, here come the midnight hour. I've never known anything else but you. Oh, look how the stars align. It happened every time. Oh, here we go.
Okay, we're at the campsite. Let's just quickly show you what our view for the next 3 days is. There we go. We did request when we booked the campsite that we had like a water view. We did pay a little bit extra money for it. Yes, we've got like this view here as well, but do you know what, at least we've got that view. So happy with this pitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, isn't it? So
Big pitch, really. It's only because of the way we park this way.
yeah, we park this. Obviously it's your pitch, you can park how you want, so you know we park like this, obviously we've got that view. So do you know what guys, thanks for watching. We've got lots more to do. Do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Do you know what, until the next one, thanks for watching, bye for now.